The LG V20 user, and today I'm doing a video on the Samsung Galaxy Fold for AT&T. So the Galaxy Fold is finally here. It's finally released. It's finally available to the public to pick up and check out. So this is the Galaxy Fold right here. The version of this one was not earlier received by Samsung. This is Samsung's first photo smartphone here. It looks very nice. It looks very nice. Available in 2 colors here. You guys have cosmetics black or y'all have space silver right? It's available in 512 GB storage configurations. There is no SD card, so 512 GB is all you get in this one. There's the little notch there for the camera and stuff like that. Galaxy Fold. Y'all guys get this one for $66,000 a month. Pay $1979.99 for retail price. So this phone is $2 grand. So you keep that in mind, very very expensive phone. Says get big or bigger. 2 displays, be unstoppable and productive. Capture photos in the way you fold. Alright, there's a screen on the inside. The inside screen is 7.3 inches. The outer screen is like 4.8 inches of the one cut. So every section will not work for some reason. I don't know why it is. AT&T and stuff. Push that, so there it is. There's the introduction and all that stuff. Here's the Galaxy Fold and its forward. There's the front. There's the front and back and all that. It has 2 cameras on the outside. That's what it looks like when it's open. That's Samsung on the image. Camera wise, of course. There you have it there. Specs on this phone are really good. And no denying that. The lenses of the Galaxy Fold 6.33 inches height, 4.63 inches width, 0.27 inches depth. The Galaxy Fold weighs 9.59 ounces, so it's a bit hefty. Display sizes, there's 2 of them. When you're in when the display is unfolded, it's 7.3 inches. It's polyimide dynamic AMOLED folded. When the Galaxy Fold is not folded, it's 7.3 inches, and when the Galaxy Fold is folded, it's 4.6 inches. Super AMOLED. Go a little bit low, guys. 6. Alright. The pixels with the Galaxy Fold lenses 7.3 inch display is 2152 by 1536 pixels. That's QHD plus. And then the 4.6 inch display on the outside is 720 by 1680 pixels, 16 million colors. The rear-facing camera on the Galaxy Fold, there's 3 of them. You have a 12 megapixel telephoto, 12 megapixel wide angle with 10 times in, and a 16 megapixel ultra wide 123 degree field of view dual aperture mode with f1.5 and f2.4, and a 10 megapixel selfie camera and an 8 megapixel RGB depth camera on the inside of the phone. Apparently you can record up to Ultra HD on both cameras here. So that's all good. So video 4K traditional cameras. Shooting nice and is an emoji feed. Hyperlapse, slide focus, panorama photo, slow motion, super slow motion video. The battery on the Galaxy Fold is 4380 mAh battery. 4380 mAh battery. Of course you cannot run the battery. There's 2 hours of talk time. and standby time is up to 134 hours with the display on or 356 hours with the display on. Has wireless charging, chipset number E35, octa-core processor. There's specs on that, of course. 512 gigabytes of storage, 12 gigabytes of RAM, no SD card. We have Android Pie. I think that's the one around there from Samsung. I think it does. Low technology, 5G revolution, capable of the first step on our path towards 5G and every faster speed on our existing LTE network for more upgrade than So this thing can connect to AT&T's 5G network. The brands for the Galaxy Fold on AT&T are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 12, 14, 18, 19, 20, 28, 29, 30, 38, 39, 40, 41, 46, 56, and 71. It's a world phone, it's a quad, brand AC voice, Wi-Fi, and AT&T video call, Wi-Fi connectivity, 8 to 11, 8 BGM, KACIR, goddamn, a lot of Wi-Fi there, dual band Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, no hotspot, up to 10 devices. It has no suppression, but NFC solution, wireless message alerts, nano SIM card. You have a lot of apps from AT&T. We have AT&T Protect, AT&T Device Hub, AT&T Device Manager, AT&T Mobile Security, AT&T Protect, AT&T Set and Transfer, AT&T Smart Wi-Fi, AT&T Advanced TV, Bridge Report Live, Seeking and DC Premium Waves, Direct TV Now, Direct TV Remote, Game of Thrones Conquest, Great Big Story, Mobile Services Manager. Jesus Christ, a lot of apps. The Samsung apps that all guys get, the user Samsung apps that all guys get Galaxy Wearable, Samsung Health, Samsung Members, to Samsung Plus, Samsung Net, Samsung Pay, Samsung Smart Switch, Samsung Smart Phone Below. And additional apps on the Galaxy Fold, we have Amazon Shopping, Facebook, Google Drive, Google Duo, Google Maps, Google Play, Google Pay, Google Photos, Google Play, movies and TVs, Google Play Music, Google Play Store, Google Search, Spotify, and YouTube. There, you have access to my AT&T, which provides fast, easy account access virtually anywhere, anytime. Your browsers on the Galaxy Fold are Samsung browser and Chrome as well. If you guys have anything to say, the sensors are accelerometer, ambient light, programmer, digital compass, gyroscope, hill integrated circuit, magnetic pressure, pretending the RGB like that. Damn, a lot of sensors. There's messaging and email. The music is play music on Spotify. The accessibility, the sustainability rate, product code, and share which I see in the Galaxy Fold box. There's an AC adapter, which is a quick charge, which is only a USB-C cable, Galaxy Buds, Kevlar slim case, quick start gun. So that's what it has in the box for $2,000 for a phone. We do get some good stuff on there. So these guys have the Galaxy Fold is now at AT&T. This phone was supposed to go to T-Mobile, but they backed out of it. So hopefully the Galaxy Fold will be successful this time around for Samsung. Hopefully they fix the issues with this phone. So the Galaxy Fold is now available. Versus $6,000 a month on AT&T. Payment plan or $19.99 full retail price. So this one is very expensive. Our phone looks very nice, especially when it's good. Great looking phone and great specs and shit. Hopefully that the Galaxy Fold will do well. We will have to wait to see. So there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy Fold is now at AT&T. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace out.